Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G unboxing. Wasn't a phone that I really planned on getting my hands on and playing with, but I had a couple of people ask me my opinions on it, so I figured I'd grab it, check it out. First we'll do the unboxing, then I'll do a review on it, but yeah, let's get this one open. Alright. So, here we have the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Quite the mouthful, but it's the fan edition version of the phone. This is the first white Samsung box I think I've gotten since I started the channel and started messing with all of these phones. It actually looks pretty nice. It's got, let's see if we can pick it up, different icons and stuff all over it. It's pretty cool looking. Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So, unlocked by Samsung. Always try and get an unlocked phone just because it doesn't come with all the bloatware that all the other phones come with if you get like a Verizon phone or something like that. And my Mint Mobile SIM card will be going into this guy, so I'll be checking out how the services and everything on this one. Mint Mobile does have 5G, so we'll see if we can pick that up anywhere. A little doubtful, but we'll give it a shot. So let's get into it. Ridiculous Knife is making a comeback yet again because I don't know where I put my smaller ones. Try not to cut the fingers off. Although, I mean, hey, you gotta make some sacrifices for tech. Got a nice sheet of paper there. SIM ejector tool. Whole lot of extra space in that cardboard for just your quick reference guide and stuff like that. That seems a little bit of a waste maybe there. That is a big screen right off the bat. Nice navy version of the phone. Does not look like it has a pre-installed screen protector, but let's do the peel. Bonus back peel on this one. Now this has a plastic back to it, so if you're looking for a glass back phone, then this is not the one for you. It feels nice, but you can definitely tell that this is not glass. This one has a 6.5 inch display, 12 megapixel triple 12 megapixel cameras on the back of it, 32 megapixel front camera. It has a Snapdragon 865 with 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage on this one. I believe it's expandable. 4500 milliamp hour battery. Has Android 10 and Samsung One UI. It's not a bad looking phone, even though it's got the plastic back to it. Feels nice. It's a nice big screen. I believe it's 120 hertz refresh on this guy, but we will get this booted up, get the SIM card in it, and then we'll take a look. Alright, so really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys some footage of the screen being on, just how big it is. It's a 6.5 inch AMOLED screen, so it's pretty big. It is a big phone. I've been using the iPhone Mini, so jumping from the Mini to this one is insane. It's a good size phone. Corners are a little bit less, I don't know, they look rounded, but they're a little bit less rounded than I thought they might be. It feels a little bit more boxy, but that is the giant display right there. Speakers so far, not bad. I listened to one of my videos, not bad. But just wanted to get that giant screen on there for you so you could see it. And it does have the in-display fingerprint reader right there. Haven't had too much of an issue with it. I know sometimes they can be finicky, but so far so good with this one. But yeah, it's a nice bright 6.5 inch panel on there. Alright, so that's been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. It's a mouthful. And then a quick little preview of the screen. Big 6.5 inch one. Looks beautiful. Already have the SIM card in there. I've already been able to pick up some 5G actually, so I'll give that a shot. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. It's a big phone, big display, so it should be nice, but I'll be back with a review. If you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.